Puppy Power Toys!
Ooh, look at all of this beautiful neon hair! Puppy Pals, it's LOL Surprise Hairgoals Wave 2! Look how adorable this dolly is on the front! I hope we get her, she's so cute! I am so super excited for Hairgoals Wave 2! And look, we're getting 15 surprises just like last time! And look at this super cute dolly! Let's unzip! Ew, what's behind layer 1? Whoa, look at her neon hair! It's so awesome! Next layer! We got some super cute stickers, and our clue is pixie cut. Let's pop the top off. Whoa, Lanky, what are you doing in there? Lanky, you can't be eating our LOL surprises. Here, you can have this carrot snack instead. What could be in here? Ooh, we got our cute little handle. Let's open up these doors. Ooh, we got our guide. Look how cute these dollies are and their awesome hair. And look, a guy. That's Tough Guy. Whoa, and look at her hair. That's so cool. Ooh, I love her pigtails. Oh my gosh, she has a rainbow outfit and wings. That is super cute. Look how pretty they are. So adorable. Let's get our doll out. Ooh, and we gotta get all these blind bags out of here. Oh no. And our hair rollers. Let's pop open our hair rollers. Ooh, we got a cute little comb. Next one. Ooh, we got a milk carton bottle. What could be in here? Ooh, it's so tiny. What is this? Ooh, we got some cute little bracelets. And we got a little pink and black choker necklace. Whoa, look at that. Look at this cool outfit. It's pink and black and it says baby on the front. I wonder if that's a clue to who we're getting. Last one. Whoa. Look at these super cool boots. I love that they're pink and black. Let's reveal our doll. Whoa, her hair is crazy. We got cute little metal babe and look at her crazy hair. It's even got some long pieces in the back and her awesome black makeup and her black lipstick. And look at her tights. They have holes in them. And she's definitely a color changer. Let's see what color she changes to. What color will she change to? Whoa, it's taking a long time. Whoa, there it goes. Whoa, and she's getting a black outfit on. That is so cool. Whoa, Puppy Bells, look at that makeup. It's so crazy. And her black leotard is so awesome. Metal Babe just looks so super awesome in her outfit. I love all the pink and the black and her bracelet and her shoes and her two-toned hair is so cool. Let's unzip this next one. Ooh, stickers! Ooh, our clue is bad hair day. Ooh, who's in here? Ah! Blind bag number 1. What's in here? Ooh! Ooh, we got this super cute tiara. Next one. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, we got the cutest little pink shoes with the little puppies on top. Ooh, what could be in here? Whoa! It's the most beautiful, cutest dress ever! Look at those polka dots and the pink bow. It's so adorable. Next one. Ooh, we got a little sash and it says Prom Princess. Who could our dolly be? Ooh! Whoa, look at her awesome pink hair. Ooh, we got cute little Prom Princess and look at this hair. This is so cool. This is like the biggest curl ever. And it's so poofy. I love it. It's so cool. Woo! And she has the most prettiest pink bubble ever. We've got to hold her hair up so her hair doesn't get wet and see what color she changes to. Whoa, look at that. It's already changing. Whoa, look how awesome. She got purple gloves and the coolest outfit. Whoa, that's so awesome. Her outfit is the coolest. I love the little belt and her cute little gloves. This is so cute. Prom Princess looks so super adorable in her outfit. I love her yellow dress with the polka dots and her super cute shoes and her beautiful pink hair. It is so pretty with her little tiara. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Oh, look how cute these two are. I think Her Majesty has some cute competition. Huh, she's no competition for me. I'm the queen. Hey girls, you're both super cute. Don't fight. Which LOL doll was your favorite today? I think Prom Princess is definitely my favorite because she is so cute with her puffy pink hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And Puppy Pals, did you see Lanky? He was eating another vegetable. Did you see the 2 vegetables he was eating today? If you did, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a super sweet and rainbowy day. Bye, guys.